Hi guys! I'm back with our bestie again. So, nasa Yesolo kami. We just arrived sa hotel namin. Say hi!
Hi vlog! We're back!
Ito ko tamingin.
Ay, gusto ko makita ko
So, yeah, nasa Venice kami, Lido di Jesolo. And mag-i-stay kami dito for 2 nights. Yeah, a weekend. And then, 23, alis na ulit kami. But, yeah.
Back to work again.
And for now, mag-ready lang kami.
Let's enjoy our free time finally.
Yes! See you later, guys. Prepare lang kami.
We're going to the top floor.
Yes, to see the swimming pool.
If is it true or not.
So, this is the view from the rooftop of the hotel. Ito yung swimming pool. And there's a mini bar right here. And the restaurant. So, and then nandun na yung beach. Right there.
We're good to go.
So, hi guys, we're now at the beach and ang ganda ng ano namin ng tawag dito kasi merong lock dito, pwedeng namin ilagay lahat and then malalak siya with our bracelet and yeah, it's like a box security beach dito.
Say hi!
We're at the beach finally.
You're kinda... So guys, I'm like sweating right now because it's hot. But yeah, we're finally here. So,
We have
show us what we bought. Yeah, spritz with sand. Do you like it?
Yeah. So, hi guys! We're back again sa hotel kasi wala, tinamad na kami doon. Tataas na lang kami sa 6th floor ng hotel kasi may swimming pool naman dito. So, yeah. Doon na lang kami magsiswimming until later. Then, magdi-dinner kami sa labas. And, yeah, that's all, I think. Hi guys! I'm back! So, bihis na kami.
Yeah, we're ready to go. No, we're not yet ready.
We're not yet ready kasi mag-makeup pa kami.
We need to get our makeup on. We need to put our makeup on pa. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're ready.
Finally, after 2 hours. So, this is my outfit.
Well, it took me an hour.
Okay. This is my outfit. Yeah.
We're
Short.
Shelena and Blair talaga today. Yeah. We're matching.
And then this top with the rose right here in the middle. And
So, yeah.
guys, nandito na kami sa restaurant. Lumipat ako ng camera, I mean dito sa cellphone kasi bad lightings dito. But dito sa phone okay siya. By the way, andito kami sa Ristorante Redente. Dito kami kakain kasi may nakita daw ni Bes na masarap daw dito.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I haven't tried
Okay. So, ang in-order ko namin pala is lasagna, fritto misto, e pinata l'arrabbiata.
Would you like that in the bag?
This is our food. Her lasagna and my pinatola all'arrabbiata. We're going to eat now, guys. We're still waiting for fritto misto.
Purple card. Okay. Let's is this sweet potato or tart?
Eat it.
Yeah. This is tokozo. Pero good siya.
Huh?
So guys, we finally made it sa sentro.
So,
Kanina pa kami nag-i-invite.
kanina pang
Nag-iintay, naghahanap.
Naghahanap.
Mga tao, dito lang pala sila. Wala naman lang nag-invite. Meron pang mga paapoy.
naglalakad pa rin kami hanggang ngayon kasi hindi pa kami nakakapili kung saan magde-drink.
Imagine kung doon tayo uminom dun sa may mari na walang tao. Dito pala lang. We weren't invited at all.
That's the vibes ng sentro dito.
Walang pogi guys. I mean, hindi ko sila makita kasi wala ko sila.
By the way guys, my best friend is single.
Ready to mingle. I-click. I-click. Yun lang yung link. Pinagsabay. I-click nyo lang yung link dito sa baba.
Yes.
Secret ko ba?
Para sa account niya, phone number agad. Dire-diretso na.
Ano? Address agad ng bahay.
Address agad. Papadala agad ng ano. Hey guys, so this is our last thing for this day. Nag-drink na kami sa isang bar malapit dito sa hotel.
Yeah.
I have Aperol Spritz and she has my Hugo.
We walked for like an hour.
Oh, ay yung...
An hour.
Ay, yung ano. Kasi from dagat, papuntang sentro din.
And then
Tas ang
balik
haba,
ulit.
Pabalik. Yeah.
But it was worth it. Kasi ang ganda naman ng sentro nila dito.
And then after this, uwi na kami.
Pahinga.
Pahinga. And then, laban ulit tomorrow. Let's go. See you later, guys. Later. Hi, guys. We're back at the hotel and yeah. Hindi ko na magamit ang camera ko kasi lobat na siya. Okay. Tatanggal na ako ng contact lens.
May friend ka?
Kasi paganda din yung mata.
Maganda pala dun sa ano.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yun lang guys. That's for today. Our agenda for tomorrow is
Magpainit.
Tagatand. Kasi hindi masyado kaming nakapagpainit.
Kasi yung para paano.
Dahil wala masyadong araw kanina. As I said before, Mr. Sun didn't show up. And yes. Yeah, that's all guys. See you tomorrow and magna-Netflix and chill lang kami.
Good night.
Good night, see you tomorrow. Bye!